It is afternoon time and I'm having my time in this beautiful paddy field. If I show you, look, amazing paddy field located in my village. So now it is time to clean this paddy field. So farmers are very busy to clean this paddy field and preparing to plant especially paddy. So they are very busy and it is afternoon time. So that's the reason I've come here to enjoy the beauty of nature, especially if you come in this type of place, you can enjoy the beauty of nature, especially the birds are flying, sun is setting, and they are surfing, especially birds are surfing, and amazing view of farmers are busy to work in this type of field. So everything I'm having here, so that's the reason that I've come here, and you know that my vision or ambition that I am trying to improve my speaking English. So currently I'm working in paddy field, and if I show you, I don't know you can see or not, the sun is setting, and if I show you that, if you notice that behind me, I don't know you can see or not, behind me a person is cutting grass and cleaning this land or field to plant paddy. And I don't know what it is called in English. Look at the grass. These are growing currently in this paddy field. Look, but I don't know what is it called in English. If you know, please let me know in the comments.